drill the holes for latch and bolt according to the template. Insert the latch into the door with the arrow pointing upwards and tighten the screws. Put the exterior deadbolt rose on the door. Put the cylinder into the rose, with the tailpiece going vertically through the latch. On the inside, put on the mounting plate with the crown pointing upwards. Tighten it with the screws provided. Ensure that the thumb turn is pointing vertically downwards, in line with the cross, the circlip and the recess in the rose. Attach the rose at the recess and clip it into place at the crown above. Test the function on both sides. If the cylinder is either too long or too short, this can be adapted with the adjustable cylinder collar.